this evening, taxi driver in fatal Bluefields crash charged. Doubling down, government MPs defend not tabling Attorney General's advice on Integrity Commission report. And Transport Authority in breach of its own policy and government guidelines.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. And a special welcome to the viewers at TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious, also here with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, we spoke some time ago about the regulations to govern Airbnbs and other short-term stay accommodation. Well, stakeholders want to have their voice on the matter. That and more in the business day.
Thank you, Andrea. And Jordan Ford, what's coming up in Primetime Sports?
Well, Archie, a sanction has been now handed down to retired former West Indies cricketer Marlon Samuels, but his attorney is livid with how the process took place. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Tuesday.
You know what I'm livid about? It was very hot today. I don't know, but I'm so grateful.
I feel like we're promised rain.
Yeah, well, I'm sure it's still in the forecast. Romain?
Yes, it's still in the forecast. We're still paying attention to the Southern Caribbean this evening. The low has not quite formed just yet, but there is an area that we are monitoring for tropical cyclone development in the Southern Caribbean. We're expecting also some rainfall across the island this weekend.
All right, I'm going to write that down.
I'm also livid about that because I have things to do, but anyway.
And there's also E-Prime and sports commentary in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what is your take on the Speaker of the House's ruling on how the tabling of reports from the Integrity Commission should be treated?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.